Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look at the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, which is Samsung's best flagship out there and also one of the best Android phones which you can buy. To start with, let's talk about the design. It is a glass and metal sandwich with the new Gorilla Glass Victus, which is supposed to be the best and the most durable yet, along with some signature Note series accessories which come with the phone, a USB Type-C, no headphone jack, some clicky buttons, and a huge camera bump, which we will talk about in the latter part of the video. And yeah, not forgetting this bronze color, which is really good. Before we move on, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified. So let's talk about this display first. It is a 1440p Quad HD Plus AMO LED which refreshes at 120 Hz and is one of the best displays out there in any smartphone. Having said that, there are some things which you need to worry about. One, you cannot have the 120 Hz with the Quad HD Plus together. Samsung just does not allow it. Even at a price point of a lakh of a rupee, they still don't allow it. So you have to go down a notch, which is to the FHD Plus, which is sad, but okay. The next, the Gorilla Glass Victus may be the best Gorilla Glass made till now and the most durable, but I believe, and this is my opinion, that the Victus is affecting the brightness of the display. It is not allowing the phone to have the brightness which it should have. I'm not saying that it's not bright, but it is slightly dull compared to, say, the OnePlus 8 Pro or say the iPhone 11 series for that matter. But overall, it is a fantastic display, and I still believe that this is the best display which you can get at this point of time in any smartphone out there. The last thing about the display, it is a hole punch display, which is a center hole punch, and you need to decide whether you like the edge hole punch or the center hole punch or the notch. That's upon you. Now let's talk about some internals. The Note 20 Ultra comes with an Exynos 990 or a Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is basically in the US markets, but elsewhere you will get the Exynos version, which is fine, but the Snapdragon is definitely better. It has 12 GB of RAM no matter which storage you choose, and comes in 3 storages, which is 128 GB, 256 and going up to 512. It has UFS 3.0 storage, which makes the phone really snappy, and also comes with One UI, which you can upgrade to Android 11. Do let me know in the comment section below which Android skin you prefer. Next, we have the S Pen. This year, the S Pen has gone down to 9 milliseconds of touch response, which is Apple Pencil category. And apart from that, you have some air gestures and Bluetooth integration, which I'm not deep diving into. What is more interesting for me are the cameras. The Note 20 Ultra comes with a 108 megapixel normal or main camera with laser autofocus, a 12 megapixel telephoto periscope lens which goes to almost 50x, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. On the front you have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now the cameras are really good. I recently did an iPhone 11 and a OnePlus 8 Pro camera comparison. If you haven't seen it yet, the link's in the description. Go check that out as well. The camera seems comparable with the iPhone and the OnePlus. Nothing out of the ordinary, though I am not impressed with the 50x zoom because I'm not going to use it. But at 5x or 3x, it's a very crisp image. And yes, this phone can shoot video in 8K, which is a really big deal. Occupies a lot of space, but it's amazing to see that we can do it on our phones now. Overall, pretty good cameras, good color accuracy, but at this price point, you expect that from a phone. So I feel that the speaker test is really important in a phone review. So let's test the speakers out. The Note 20 Ultra has a bottom firing main speaker along with a top speaker as well, which is basically the earpiece which doubles as a second speaker. I'm going to keep quiet now so that you can hear the speakers. Now Google pushed this update a couple of days ago and I have been using it since then. There are a couple of changes with respect to the entire operating system from Developer Preview 3, which was my earlier video. In this video, we're only going to talk about some specific features like the one you're seeing currently, which are notifications. And my favorite feature here is the notification history, because it literally remembers every notification you're. So the speakers are pretty good. I feel they're really loud and bass heavy, which is very good for a smartphone. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery is a 4500 mAh battery, which is pretty good for this phone, but many years ago the Note series used to have the biggest battery around, and nowadays it's just on par with all the other flagships, which is not pretty good to see, but it's fine. The 4500 mAh battery lasts me a day and maybe into the next day as well, but strictly a day, along with obviously the 120 Hz. It supports wireless power share or wireless charging, which can charge your earphones or your other phone. It supports fast wireless charging as well. The normal fast charging is at 25 watt. The fast wireless charging is at 15 watt, and the reverse charging is at 4.5 watts. So that's with the battery. And do let me know in the comment section below if you have ever owned a Note before and your experiences with the battery then. And that is all from me with the Note 20 Ultra. My overall impressions are that this phone is an amazing smartphone. It is the best Android smartphone out there, which money can buy. With the stainless steel frame, the Gorilla Glass Victus, the 108 megapixel camera, 8K video recording at 24 fps, 50x zoom, maybe not, the amazing display, 120 Hz, and an okay battery, but that price tag. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about this phone, and I will respond to each and every query of yours. Till then, do share the video, and thanks for watching.